Hello saxo friends, Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to help, motivate and to serve you. So if it's your first time here, consider subscribing and remember, tap that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So today we're talking about the E-flat major triad, and the E-flat major triad consists of three basic notes: your E flat, your G and your B flat. Okay, so E flat 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and your pinky goes over here. And then we are going to go to the first inversion, which is G 1 2 3, and then we're going to play our bis B flat. So instead of playing your B flat with your A and your side key here, we will play the bis B flat, which is holding down your B and this little bis key below it. So we are still using our first index finger to play that bis B flat because it's smoother and it's quicker whenever you're playing in your flat keys. And then we are going to go to our second inversion, which is going to be our B flat, our E flat, and up to our G with the octave key. And then we're going to repeat the process until we reach to our high E flat, which is going to be these two keys around here, these two palm keys on the side. Okay, you use your palm, basically a part of your finger and your palm, to play these two keys to get your high E flat. And we are going to reverse and go all the way down to our low B flat, which is everything. 1 2 3, pinky goes over here, okay, and 1 2 3 and pinky goes right down there. Okay, so this is your low B flat, and then we go back to our regular E flat and we play through the entire range of the horn, playing our E flat major triad. So E flat, G, and your front bis B flat. Once you're able to play your E flat major triad comfortably on the horn, then you want to take it up 2 notches. The first way is to play through all the triads through the 12 major keys. So you play each triad once until you get all the way through the keys and reverse the process until you go back to the root. So your C, your C sharp or D flat, then your D, your E flat, your E and your F, and so on. The second advanced methodology is to play your C, your E, your G, go back down to your E, and then to start the next triad, you land on your C sharp or D flat and you start the process and you go through D, E flat, E, F, F sharp, G, A flat, A, B flat, and your B. That's the way you want to practice these triads so that your fingers can become flexible, so that when you're learning to play chords, licks, trills, and runs on your saxophone, you know exactly where to place your fingers and how to find those notes. As always, Saxo friend, keep practicing and push play until something happens. Peace.